Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to install a font on your computer. It's really easy. There are tons of websites out there that offer free fonts. And the cool thing about installing a new font on your computer is that you'll be able to have a portfolio or a project board with a more unique font, something different from the ones that already come with Windows, right? It's super easy. When you install a font, it'll also show up in Photoshop, InDesign, SketchUp, and tons of other programs, so you can use it in your texts, okay? One of the sites I use the most is Mil Uma Fontas. This site has free fonts, but there's also Google Fonts and Behance. I'll leave some links here in the description. Anyway, once you find the font you want, just click on Download. It goes straight to downloading. It's super fast. They'll come in compressed files like WinRAR or WinZip files. So when I go to my downloads folder, I need to unzip them. So I right-click, go to WinRAR, and select Extract to. Yeah, and later you can check out our video on how to install WinRAR. It'll create a little folder for us here, and when you open it, depending on the font, you'll see its family. That is, the different styles you can use, like bold, italic, and so on. It's a good idea to install all of them at once. So I'm going to select the first font, then hold Shift and select the last one on the list. Fonts come in two possible formats, OpenType and TrueType, okay? For SketchUp, it's a good idea to check which version works best. Just right-click on any one in the list and then click on Show More Options. That's if you're using Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10 or earlier, you'll already see the install option right in the list. So Show More Options, and here we have the option to install for all users. Okay, just click it. It might take a little while, depending on how many fonts you have, but then they'll be on your computer, right? Yeah, to check where the fonts are installed on your computer, you can go to the control panel, right? So to access the control panel, we can go to Start and type in Control Panel. In the control panel, in the search bar, we can type fonts and click on the fonts folder. Yeah, when you open that folder, you'll see all the font families installed, all the different font types that are on your computer. It's important that when you install a different font, if you're going to send a file to another computer or another person, you also send the font along with the file, because depending on the software, it might not recognize that font. To copy a font and send it, just look for the name, right? Then hit Control+C and Control+V into the folder you want to share, maybe on a drive, and it's really simple, right? I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the other videos, in the next videos. See you then.